Once you are ready to make an account, press Sign Up to create your account. After creating your account and logging in, you should see something like this. This is the project's dashboard, where you can view all projects posted by mentors and professors looking for students. You can search for project names, and you can also filter based on the type of researcher who is making the post. For example, if you're looking for mentorship, you would click Mentor. On the other hand, if you're looking to apply to a research position with a professor, you would click Professor. To learn more about a project, simply click on the post. Then, if you wish to apply, just email the person who posted it at the email shown here. We currently do not support messaging within our website, but most professors prefer the application to go to their email anyways. You can see our guides on research to learn more about sending emails to professors. To go back to the home page with all the dashboard of professor and mentor posts, please click this link. Note that high school students also have the opportunity to post projects. This is usually reserved for those who already have a research idea in mind and want to find a mentor for that idea. To post, simply click the plus button. The first 5 fields are required. You may list the number of mentors you are seeking for and the number of students field. You can skip the optional specifications, since these are just for mentors and professors. Lastly, you can enter some tags that apply to your project. For example, machine learning, biology, physics, etc. To navigate back to our landing page, you can just go back to scoperesearch.team. Thank you for watching this presentation, and I hope you found our service useful. Please direct any questions to contactscoperesearch@gmail.com.